Well, greetings. In this video, I am going to be doing a Linux tutorial on how to extract images from a PDF into a PNG format. So let's get to it. So the reason for this is I've been doing some archiving using a program called Simple Scan on Linux, and it defaults all the time to PDF, which is annoying AF. So let's see if I can find something here. Oh wait, I know where I can find one. There we go. So here's a PDF of these images, because I ended up, instead of figuring out how to extract them, I just rescanned. So what you want to do, one quick way is using Gimp. So we're going to do that. And that's what this video is going to be about, doing it with Gimp. So we've got all of the images loading up in Gimp. Import. And you'll see on the side here, we've got 10 images. So we're going to hide the view on the ones that we don't want. So the first one is going to be this one here. And we are going to export as, select by type. And in my case, I am going to do PNG. And this is image 24. And we're going to hit export. And that's literally it. All you have to do is unview the one that you don't want, view the other, and follow the same procedure over and over again. And that is how you extract quickly, using Gimp, pages from a PDF into some image format. And with that, I hope you enjoyed. Like, share, subscribe, all that jam. And if you want to see more of these, help me out a bit. I've got PayPal and other Donato links in the description below. If you want to see better video quality, then check out my Amazon wishlist as well. And with that, I'll bid you all adieu. Thank you for joining. Bye-bye.